हेलो बच्चे, कैसे हैं सब लोग? होप एवरीबडी इज ऑल राइट. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस optional exercise, that is 3.7, that is from chapter number 3, a pair of linear equation in two variable. So here in these questions you will find more than one variable like x, y, a, b, or x, y, p, q, like that. You will see different variables, different alphabets. So you please don't get confused which one we will have to take variable and which is not. Actually, in earlier video I told you generally in 10th class we are going to solve only x and y. Okay, so this is our variable. So other alphabets we take it as constant. If in the question it is asked find the value of solve for x and y, then there is no problem. It is clear that we have to take x and y as variable and rest of the alphabets we will take as constant. Okay, so suppose in the equation if it is says just simply they will say that solve the following equation, then but you will see in the equation you will see more than two variables like p, q, x, y, or a, b, c, x, y, like that will be there. So I told you x and y is there, that means we have to take x and y as the variable. Okay, understood? Then you have to do according to your own. If you want to solve by substitution method, you solve it. If you want to solve by elimination method, you can solve it. But in this year you will not get any cross multiplication method because it is out of course. But some of the videos I uploaded cross multiplication method, but as I was not knowing the syllabus of this year. Okay, here only I will solve these equations by elimination method because elimination method is easier and it is quicker. Now in 7th question what is saying, solve the following pair of linear equation. This is linear equation and we have to solve by what method? Any method what you like. I will solve by substitution method, by elimination method. Elimination method I told you it is easy. Elimination method I will solve it. Okay, what it is given, question number 7 and part 1 hai. So what is the equation? px plus qy equals to p minus q. This is our first equation. What is second equation? qx minus py equals to p plus q. This is the second equation. Now what? X and y is our variable. Here also x and second equation also x and y is there. Here also x and y are there. So we shall take as x, y as the variable, and p, q, these are our constant. I mean some numbers. Instead of giving 2, 3, 4, 5, they wrote that, but p and q. Okay. Now let's solve this equation. Okay, so now elimination method. So you see here in first equation px plus qy equals to p minus q, and in second equation what is given? qx minus py equals to p plus q. But here you see y coefficient is what? Q, that is what? Plus q, and in second equation the coefficient of y is what? Minus p. So plus and minus there, better to eliminate y. To eliminate y, what is the coefficient of y in first equation? Q. So with this q you multiply the second this q, second equation you multiply with this q, and first in second equation what is the coefficient of y? That is p. So you multiply the first equation with p. Here what we shall write? Multiplying first equation by p and second equation by q. Got it? Here the first equation y coefficient is what? Q, and second equation coefficient of y is what? P. So you will multiply with this p you have to multiply here, and q you have to multiply here. So let's do it. So px plus qx equals to px plus qy is equals to p minus q. This is our first equation, isn't it? What is second equation? Qx minus py equals to p plus q. This is second equation. I told you this equation we have to multiply with this, so we shall multiply whole equation. We have to multiply what? Here q is there, you multiply here with q. Here p is there, you multiply with p. Okay, that will becomes what? P square q plus into plus is plus, p into q, pq, and this is y, then equals to p into p is p square, minus is there, plus into minus is minus, plus means here before p nothing is there, plus, so plus into minus is minus, p into q is pq. Okay, then this second equation, this is our first equation, then second equation q into q, this will become, we can take as third equation. Okay, so now q into q is q square x, plus into minus is minus, p into q is pq. Then what is there? Here y is there, y we wrote, then equals to q into p is pq. Here pq is there, let's put over here pq, and q into q is q square, plus into plus is plus, q square. Okay, this is our fourth equation. Now what we shall do? By adding third and fourth equations. Okay, so p square x plus pqy equals to p square minus pq. This equation we have written again, jotted down, and here q square x minus pqy equals to q square plus pq. This is our fourth equation. Just adding, so no sign will be changed, isn't it? So what here, plus minus, this is gone, this you deduct it. Now here remain what? X is common, x p square plus q square is equals to, here pq plus pq minus pq is gone. Okay, plus pq this is, and minus pq this, so gone. Now p square plus q square. Okay, now x into p square plus q square equals to p square plus q square. Now we'll, from this we can find the x value. Okay, this x value, x equals to p square plus q square, and this relation what is there? छुप के कुछ भी नहीं, इसका no sign means multiplied, so here it will become division, p square plus q square. Both are get cancelled, so x equals to 1. Okay, what has come? X equals to 1. X value has come 1. Okay, now what we shall do? We shall put the value of x. Okay, in first equation put the substitute x in equation 1. So px plus qy equals to p minus q. Now what is the x value? 1. So put p, x value is what? 1. This x value is 1. So plus qy equals to p minus q. So qy equals to p minus q, and this p will go this side, plus is there, this will become minus p. Now this p plus p minus p cancel. This is plus p, this is plus p, this is minus p, get cancel. So qy equals to minus q. qy equals to minus, what has come? qy equals to minus q. Okay, so from this we can get the value of y. y equals to minus q upon q. So this one will also get cancelled. So now y equals to minus 1. So what is the solution? The solution of the equations और क्या है? x equals to 1, y equals to minus 1. This is the answer. Got it? Now let's go to the second question. Okay. So now second part, not second question, seventh question, second part. What is he is saying same, solve the following pair of linear equation, only just you solve it, you take what here you see, ax and by and c is a, b, c and xy are there, a, b, c, x, y, 5 types of what alphabets are there, which one don't get confused because xy is there, so the variable we will use as xy, and a you think is 2 or 3 or 4 or any number. Instead of number they put a, instead of any number they put b and c, like that. Okay, now let's solve by substitution method, by elimination method only we shall do it. By now you see this seventh question, that is second part. So here also same, solve the following pair of linear equation, our wish and will, whatever may be, elimination method or substitution method we can use. So I told you elimination method is easier, but here you see the variables, how many, a is there, b is there, a is there, b is there, c is there, and x also there, y also there, so many are there, but I told you x and y we will take as variable, and this a, b, c we will take as numbers. Here this a in first equation you see ax means a can be 1, a can be 2, a can be 3, a can be 4, a can be 5, anything. Here plus by, then this the coefficient of y is b, b can be any number, 1, 2, 3, 4, any number you can put it. So that's why a, b, c we have these alphabets represent the numbers. Okay, now let's solve it. So what is it? Ax plus by equals to c. This is first equation. Then what is our second equation? Bx plus ay equals to 1 plus c. This is the second equation. Now elimination method, you can do anything because here both are plus, here also in first equation ax is plus ax, in second equation plus bx, and in y coefficient also plus b, and in second equation y coefficient also plus a. So whatever you like we can do it. Now let's do x to be eliminated. So what is the coefficient of second equation? X, that is b, so you multiply this equation with b. And what is the coefficient of x in first equation? That is a, so this equation you will multiply it with a, this equation you will multiply it with b. Let's do it. Let us write multiply equation 1 by b and equation 2 by a. Okay, so ax plus by equals to c. This is our first equation. Then bx plus ay equals to 1 plus c. This is our second equation. What is saying? We shall multiply these two equations. Okay, so this is b, second equation coefficient of x is what? B, so you multiply with this b. And first equation coefficient of x is what? A, so you multiply the second equation with a, second equation with a. Now after multiplication what we will get? let's write down. Okay, plus into plus is plus a into b is abx, then plus into plus, b into b is b square y equals to b into c is bc. Okay, then second equation, plus into plus is plus, a into b is abx, and plus into plus is plus, a into a is a square y equals to a, 1 into a is a, and plus into plus is plus, a into c is ac. This has become our third equation, and this is our fourth equation. Okay, this is our third equation, fourth. Now what we shall do? By subtracting subtract fourth equation from the third equation. So what is our fourth equation? Fourth equation is, no, third equation, from third equation. So third equation first we should write abx plus b square y equals to bc, and fourth equation is what? abx plus a square y equals to a plus ac. Now subtraction. So now what? We shall change the sign. This has become minus, and this also becomes minus. This a plus a becomes minus a, plus ac becomes minus ac. Now, so this one get cancelled. Got it? Now b square, y is common, b square minus a square y equals to bc. This is this minus a, here nothing will get cancelled. So minus a, then plus minus ac. Okay. Now from this we can bring the y value. Okay. b square minus a square y, b square minus a square y equals to bc minus a minus ac. Okay, have I written proper way? bc minus a minus ac, bc minus a minus ac, right? So now let's take the value of y equals to bc minus a minus ac. So here this one multiplication sign is there in between these two, y and b square minus a square. We shall write here b square minus a square. Okay. Now this is the y value. Okay, some in your NCERT book different is there, because this, to make it positive a square, though this has been multiplied with minus. So if you multiply minus both, minus, okay, that let's like this. If you multiply both, minus into minus, so minus into plus is minus, minus into minus, so plus a plus bc, then minus bc. That we shall do later on. Now we have to get the x value. So again we shall take the equation. Again taking first and second equations. Okay, first equation is what? Let me see the book. So first equation ax plus by plus c, this is our first equation, and second equation is bx plus ay equals to, ax plus by equals to c. This is our first equation. Second equation is what? Bx plus ay equals to 1 plus See, this is our second equation. So we want to get the x value. So what we will do, y variable should be deleted, so eliminated. So what is the y coefficient? B. So we will multiply this equation with b, this equation with a. Second equation y coefficient is a, so first equation we shall multiply with a, and first equation coefficient of y is b, so we shall multiply second equation with b. So now let's write down ax by multiplying. Okay, multiply equation 1 by a and equation 2 by b. Okay, अब मल्टीप्लाई यहाँ करेंगे. So ax plus by equals to c and bx plus ay equals to 1 plus c. We can multiply this one. This is b, यहाँ b है, इसको b से मल्टीप्लाई, यहाँ a है, इसको a से मल्टीप्लाई करें. नाउ क्या आएगा हमारा, a square x plus aby equals to ac. Here b square x plus aby equals to b plus bc. This is our third equation. This is our fourth equation. Now what we shall do, by subtracting, है ना, sign are same, that's why we have to subtract fourth equation from the third equation. Okay, fourth equation is what? Fourth equation ax square, isn't it? A square x plus aby equals to ac. Then this one will become b square x plus aby equals to b से मल्टीप्लाई किए थे, b plus bc. Okay, now this is third equation ours and this is our fourth equation. So we have to subtract, minus, this one will become minus b plus bc becomes minus bc. Now these two gets cancelled. So now this one where x is common, so a square minus b square into x is equals to, here ac minus b minus bc. So from this we can get the x value, x equals to this x equals to ac minus b minus bc. So x, so this one, what is the relation between them? Multiplication. So now no sign is there, means multiplication, so this one will get divided. So a square minus b square, this is our x value. Got it? So what is our x value? This is x value, and y value equals to what it was, b, ac के बदले में bc था, bc minus a minus ac upon b square minus a square. But in the NCERT book different is there, because he multiplied with minus 1, both minus 1. So this one will become what, plus a minus into minus, first a b c करके अरेंज करेंगे, minus into minus is plus a, then minus into plus is minus bc, then minus into minus is plus ac upon this one plus a square minus b square. This is given in the NCERT book. Okay, but if you write this also, this is also right. Here a square minus b square is there, where in this equation x a square minus, to make this a square minus b square, so he multiplied with minus 1 both the numerator and denominator. So here, so a has become positive Okay, then AC is positive and BC becomes negative, and here it has become A square minus B square. A has become positive. Here same, no, that's why he didn't multiply in your NCERT book. If you write like this also correct, without multiplying this, just you write this is also correct. Okay, I'm to match the with your NCERT book, I did this way. Okay, I hope you understood. Please press the like button, and those who are new, please press the subscription button so that you will get, and bell icon also you have to press it, don't forget. So then you will get all my update videos. Thank you very much watching my video. Bye bye.